Judge who decides a case speaks through their judgments. Once a judgment is delivered, that judgment becomes public property of the nation. Until a judgment is delivered, the process is confined to the judges who are involved in the decision of that case. Once we arrive at a decision and the judgment is pronounced, it's public property, it's the property of the nation. We are a free society. We have a constitution which protects the right to the freedom of speech and expression, and therefore people are entitled to exercise the right to freedom of speech and expression, to critique, to criticize, to appreciate. So far as we are concerned, we decide according to two parameters, the constitution and the law. And I don't think it will be appropriate for me either to respond to criticism or to mount a defense of my judgment. What we have said in the judgment is reflected in our reasons which are contained in the signed judgment, and I must leave it at that. The case had a long history of conflict, of diverse viewpoints, based on the history of the nation. And all of us who were part of the bench decided that this will be a judgment of the court. The court will speak through one voice. And the idea of doing so was to send a clear message that all of us stood together, not only in the ultimate outcome, but in the reasons which were indicated in the judgment. And that was why we decided that this will read as a judgment of the court.